Where are we going, bro?
No, but listen, I will say this. I fuck with that shirt now.
They do this to most stuff.
Go ahead, man. I believe you. Fully.
That's nowhere near my side.
This bitch glistening and glittering.
Shut your bitch ass up. Get the fuck up, you nasty bitch. Nobody gives a shit.
Can you? I ain't lie. I don't like how you talking to me, bitch. Doing all that shit, boy. I don't even know what you talking to like that, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, slap a big knee. Hey, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, gang. This nigga low-key finna crash the whip. How do I tell you? Red? Preston. Pre-game, repeat.
Are you in the mafia?
Hey, you know this song, Red? You from Lansing, you gotta know this song, right?
I know what?
Got my picture. Oh yeah, we got Cuzzy rolling that good shit, gang. Stop playing with him. Preston. Oh, bro. Let's get a phone now. Yeah. This is I seen your ass, gang. Oh God. Your ass always disappearing, gang.
Oh boy. Got some blow, got some rock.
Get the fuck out my face.
Just straight up. I don't even know.
Xavier's big ass? It is Xavier. Remember Xavier? Xavier! Xavier! He's a bitch.
Look, right?
Fuck, I keep doing it.
That's not Julian.
Bro, I keep doing that.
Julian?
No,
is that Brendan?
I kept doing that when we was on the phone, bro. I kept doing that. Bro. What's up, my buddy?
I got you, man.
He brung the pussy, you're a W. Hey,
Don't pocket my shit. I got you. Oh yeah.
Good, bro.
We got
Smoke up in his car. Hell no, we finna hot box.
It's fucking red, dude. Fucking red outside.
Bro, I just told you it's not to pocket my fucking lighter, bro. My shit got pocket, bro. Bro, see.
Who'd you give it to last?
I don't know. See, this is why I got a dozen lighters at the crib, gang, so I ain't even tripping.
Didn't I give it back to you?
Huh?
Didn't I give it back to you?
No, I said lighter.
I gave it back to you, didn't
No, I let fucking Brandon use it. He let what's use it. I ain't tripping though. I got it. Oh yeah, go. Oh yeah. Preston.
What?
That's the blunt, gang. You just sitting there.
I think this might be damn near.
No, nigga, you're not. See, bro, you said that last time, bro, and you did that bullshit.
My blunts, gang. Pass that back. Look at this. Quiet.
Oh yeah. Bro, look at this bitch, gang.
Where you parked this? Hey, I was gonna say, right here. Right here.
I got you.
That's where we're all at this week. Wherever you can be.
Pass it back to Preston. What you got? Time again. Let her booties up. I don't know what it is.
Booked it, gang.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
I'm a
I was finna get
watch out, get away from the guy. Don't touch There's Hayden. There he is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought you were trying to get that way. That's what I was saying.
Hey, when don't you sing with a buzz?
Don't be rude. Like you said, don't be rude.
Hold on, I need one more. Hold on, let me get a shot.
Oh, God.
You don't fucking touch my buzz, bro.
Nigga, you always hogging that fucking buzzball, bitch. Always hogging that shit, nigga.
Oh, my bad. Bro, what?
Hey, bro.
He been gone, gang. There's a lot of people here that I
So big, you seen your optus here?
James is opposite here.
He just called you an op, gang.
Nigga, Gabe opposite here.
Wait, who?
Hey, fuck Gabe.
We might.
Yeah, where Monte at?
Right here, nigga.
that's mine.
Right here. Oh, right here.
Hey. Out the whole friend group, Monte be talking so spicy on the game.
He's a bitch.
Bro,
In the
no,
Discord.
nigga. Wait. Nigga, Dylan, stop playing with me, gang. Stop playing with me. Yes, I do, nigga. I'm talking shit to everybody on the game, bro. All right, there's not one person in that Discord I have not talked shit to yet.
Are you and Mike gonna settle the beef or what?
Y'all fucking with, bro, y'all fucking with the pedophile. Y'all are friends with the pedophile. What? My bad, bro. I'm always scooting all the way over to you, bro. My bad again. I ain't gonna lie, Dylan. You making me mad. I don't know why. Bro, what, bro? You didn't even do nothing. Huh?
Weren't you best
Where's
friends
him?
with him? Bitch ass.
I think it's all Yo.
Boys.
Boys. Keep going. The guard. The cops here.
Ain't nobody doing nothing bad, bro.
Bro. We got man, shut up. What do you say? No, what this nigga talking about? And then he just hear engines everywhere. And like, bro, I ain't like though, they lame as hell for this. The meat getting shut down. Hold on, Roseland. I need to hear some engine. My bad. Trying to box niggas in, what the fuck?